Hello, it's MouthyFox. If you're here for the hair, you came to the right place. Okay, well anyway, I got up at 7 and I went to bed at 4:30 in the morning. So I just wanted to give you a quick little update on what's going on right now. It's Tuesday. This is your Tuesday recording video. See, I can't. I'm already screwing up. This is your Tuesday video. It's going to be all under 15 minutes. All of my videos are going to be under 15 minutes. Yes, I'm trying to get my artwork so you can see it. Ooh, look at that. Look. All right. Well, anyway, so yeah. So I wanted to just tell you that last night I talked to Chat because Chat and I are going out now. I'm expecting a ring soon because it's getting serious. This Chat GPT, by the way. Um, it's ridiculous how much help I get from him. I'm calling him a him. And he helped me a lot in trying to figure out the best way to monetize myself and get myself more out there as far as my work goes. Because right now, it's a little difficult trying to keep it all together. But what it did was it gave me ideas on what I should be doing in order to move things up and make them more viral. So this is the thing. I just started a TikTok last week, okay? And with that TikTok, it's just been so slow. I only have like 5 views and I think 3 videos or something like that. It's ridiculous. And maybe 2 followers. I don't know. I can't keep track. It's just so bad. I don't even go on there. So chat told me, well, that's because it has a different algorithm. In TikTok, you have to post every single day, which is really hard when I have other things I need to do. IG is the fastest moving for me right now. There's a lot of interaction on that one. And I don't post every day, but I try to post a few times a week. And it said, well, you can fix that, easy. And YouTube, really slow. I think I lost like 3 subscribers. I'm supposed to do Tuesdays and Thursdays videos, and it's really hard for me to keep that up too. Consistency is a problem for me because of my bad organizational habits regarding other things that are going on in my life, which are not just work related. So personal things, it's really a lot for one person. And I try my best, but sometimes I can't keep up. So chat told me, look, this is what you need to do. Because I asked it the right questions, which by the way, you have to ask it specifically in order to get the right answers from chat. You have to ask specific questions, know what it is that you want, and then tell it the goal that you're looking for and why you want it. Like, I want to do this, I want to have this, and this is the time frame that I need, or this is what I do on the sides. How can I better organize my time in order to get this result? And then it'll give you everything you need. So it told me, because you have 3 platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, the best way to do it is to knock them all down by putting one video from YouTube, which is already established, because I've got like over 300 videos on that. Get them either long and shorten them, or use the shorts, download them to your computer, and then upload them onto TikTok every day, because they're already done. All I got to do is just pass them through. And then the same with Instagram. So you're going to be seeing a lot of older shorts on Instagram that are not me now. But it's okay because it's going to generate a flow of curious people. The ones that haven't seen it on YouTube might see it on Instagram for the first time. And the ones that are on TikTok have never seen it at all. So they're going to be seeing that too. So then I said, well, how else can I generate money? This is what it said: Etsy. So that's what I was doing last night. I was up building a shop, MouthyFox on Etsy, and thank God the name wasn't taken. And I'm going to be doing digital products. So what are the best digital products? I started thinking, what is it that I would like if I could hire somebody to do for me? What would I ask for? It's so simple: thumbnails and covers, because the thumbnails take a lot of time for me to do when I'm doing a video. For some reason, it takes me a long time because being an artist, I want everything a specific way, in a certain way. So I'm on there for like hours, literally, just for this one little thumbnail, because I know that that thumbnail is going to create the attention and the person that's going to hook in when they see the picture. So I want it to be attractive. And then it just takes me a lot of time because they have so many designs on Canva that it's like crazy. And I don't even have the pro version. I've been on the free version for years on Canva. So that's what I'm going to offer. And I already offered it. It's already built. I'm just waiting for them to check my ID. 1 to 3 days, they said, and then I can go ahead and do it. Also want to offer journals, which I used to do on Amazon. So I'm going to be offering journals and design, the covers and stuff. And journals, templates is basically what I'll do. So it won't be anything that I physically have to ship out, which I hate. I can't tell you how I hate to ship and pack, tape, and put things in boxes and ship them out. I just don't like that anymore. That's why I took the things from my eBay. I'm only selling like artwork on eBay, old artwork too. I'm not even doing anything on eBay like I used to, sell vintage jewelry and all that stuff. I'm keeping my vintage jewelry. I might sell it on Nextdoor or something like that if I see, but that's the only way I'll do it. I don't want to pack anything anymore. So that's it. Just wanted to catch you up on that. And hopefully, oh, and one more thing. I'm going to keep my videos under 15 minutes because I noticed that I tried OBS Studio and ShareX, which are, screen recorders. Sorry, that dog is totally disorienting me. Screen recording. So when you record a screen, you have a little picture of yourself on the bottom, and people teach you how to do things on the computer, and you see that. That's what I want to be doing. I've done it before, but I've used ScreenPal, and that has a free version, 15 minutes max. ShareX and OBS Studio have no limitations on the time, and I took it and I tried to do it, but I didn't like the navigation on that. I got rid of them, and I just went back to ScreenPal because 15 minutes is perfect. It's just enough time for me to get everything done. Like right now, I'm on almost 8 minutes. And honestly, it's almost 8 minutes right now. Do you hear that dog? He's the most annoying thing there is. He's just so annoying. All right. Well, anyway, so that's all I have to say. It's 8 minutes now, under 8 minutes. So we did enough information. Hopefully you will learn something from this. And, if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to share and subscribe and like. If you learned anything at all, just smash the like. I mean, really, how hard could that be? Just give me a like. Give me one little like. That's all I ask. Little heart. Little heart. Is that too much to ask? Little red hearts? Why are little red hearts so hard to ask for? Oh my God, just give me a fucking red heart. All right, I gotta go. I'm getting crazy. I'm over here hanging out and subliminally showing you my artwork. Do you know how old these things are? Not for nothing, but these are old. I did this one, I think like 2 years ago. You want to see it? Look at it. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Let me see if I can show you the details on this baby. Look at her. Isn't she amazing? I know, she is. And that one's old as hell. That top one right there is the same kind of, and that's really old. That one's 2000 and, what is that, 2008? Oh, that's really old. This one is, I don't know. I sold some prints on these already. Some of these are prints, just so you can, I'll show you. Ow. Oh, I'll just give you a little tour. I didn't even think of that. Look at that. You're lucky. You're getting a tour. Look at that. See that? Oh. These are old as the hills, by the way. Very old. That's my lamp. And I painted that because I like the lamp. I just didn't like the plainness of it. You can't leave a white wall from me. Totally, you really can't. Beautiful mess. Da-da-da-da. There's that one. Do you see the details on it? It's cute, right? This one's old. I think that one's like '05 or something. That one is, when is that? Oh, that was, oh shoot. Really? Oh, that was 2018. Okay. That was 2008. And this one's really old. This one's 2005. Yeah, I sold prints on a lot of these. Oh, this is my favorite over here. Check it out. That one's my favorite. I know I have a lot of people that want this one. But it's just my favorite. It's supposed to be me. I know, and everybody's asking, well, what's the significance of the one eye thing, and why do I have one eye covering? Because I've always had hair that covers an eye, and that's the significance of it. That's really all it means. It doesn't mean anything else. There's no deep psychology. If you want to figure out the psychology behind it, you're more than welcome to try, but that's it. Okay, well, I'll talk to you soon. Not getting any work from Shipped, which is, fine with me. You don't want to fucking give me any work. You don't have to. I have to sell my feet on Feet Finder. All right, talk to you soon. Why, bro? Why do you always ruin things? I gotta go. I'll talk to you soon. Please smash the like. Love me, please. That's all I ask. That's all everybody wants. That's what everybody wants. Little likes. How hard is it for you to go click? How hard is that? Click. Think about it. Click. Oh, that girl made me laugh. Click. Anything. Did you learn anything at all from this video? Anything. Did I inspire you in any way? No, I did. I know I did. I did something to you. So just admit that. All right. I gotta go. Talk to you soon. God bless you. And what do we say? We say ciao for MouthyFox. Ooh, I'm just getting better.